Hi, I'm Manali.
And I'm Mehuli. As we all know, Raksha Bandhan is round the corner, and like all Indian siblings, we are excited for the day. Although we don't have a brother, we have always celebrated Rakhi with each other.
And with the current situation this year, it is not possible for everyone to buy new clothes for Rakhi. So we thought of upcycling our old outfits and styling them in 3 ways each. Let's get started. I styled a yellow printed tunic for my looks. Now I'm sure everyone has a versatile midi tunic at home. For the first look, I paired it with cream cigarette pants and styled it with a pink net dupatta and a thin silver belt to give it an Indian ethnic touch. I added silver jhumkas to enhance the look and a pair of nude slip-on heels to finish the look. Now we all love Indian outfits for all festivities, right? For my second look, I wore the tunic as a dress with a brown waist belt to give it a nice silhouette. I added this statement neck piece to add an edge to the look and a pair of white slip-ons with silver details for my footwear. I also added this cute sling bag to complete the look. For my last look, I added a black peplum jacket with a broad black belt to give this outfit a dressy twist. I accessorized with simple rose gold hoops and a rose gold wristwatch. And for footwear, I wore strappy black wedges. This look gives a smart, dressy yet casual vibe.
For my outfit, I styled this red suit. I literally got this off Amazon when I was in 9th standard, but the shape and fit is just so beautiful. That's why I decided to style this. So for my first look, I paired gold dupatta with palazzo to give it that extra dash of ethnic look. I wore nude sandals to go with it, and wearing a simple pair of jhumkas just made this look so elegant, and overall it makes for a perfect fit for any Indian festivals. Oh my god, the power of a good belt. For the second look, I simply wore it as a dress and added this black belt. The strappy wedges, big hoops and gold rimmed sunglasses made this look come together. To be honest, this gives such beautiful retro vibes, and I love the structure and fit the belt brought in to balance out the flowy bottom. Now for the final look, I added a wide belt and tucked in excess skirt material to convert it into a midi frill dress. The fall of the skirt just looks so pretty, giving ballerina vibes, and the denim jacket and sneakers provide the balance this look needed and brings in the casual. Overall, this turned out to be super cute yet casual.
Hello everyone, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Also let us know which look did you like the best.
And also we wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. We hope you have a great time with your siblings but at home. So we wanted to make this video because we know it's very tough to always get new outfits. Maybe in this lockdown period you can't get new outfits. So you can always upcycle your old clothes and style it in different ways.
Yes, and also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and leave comments and thumbs up for this video if you like it, and we'll see you soon. Bye.